Hello and welcome to my review of the Clayton Hotel in London. As the video title already suggests, this is an excellent 4-star hotel right in the centre of London. It's sometimes difficult to quantify what makes a very good hotel. Of course, all reviews are very subjective, but I do find this hotel seems to be ticking every single box. The prices are very good for the location. The location is very good. The rooms are quirky but pretty well designed. They also have things like contactless check-in and check-out, as well as the ability to cast your phone or tablet to the TVs in the room, which, to be quite frank, should be standard nowadays in most hotels. They also do offers before you check in. This one, for example, offered a 3-course meal for £20, which really was very good value. The location is excellent for transport links. You have Aldgate East Station, as well as Whitechapel, which is on the new Elizabeth line. So if you're travelling from London City or from Heathrow, the connections are very good. I'd also like to point out that the staff were excellent, very forthcoming and seemed to want to actually be there. One guy in particular, Aktir, had only been there 2 days, but was so accommodating and helpful for everything that I needed. I love these quirky pieces of artwork on the wall. These also extend into the rooms of the hotel, as you'll see later in the video. And here's where you can check in and check out, a nice little feature copied over from the airports. Let's make our way up to the room now. decor in the room had very mixed designs, but they worked very well together and it felt very homely. As I mentioned before, the techie details in the room are very good, like being able to Chromecast to the television. They also didn't scrimp on the plug sockets around the room, each of them having 2 USB sockets, although it might have been nice for them to have been universal. I love this rotating mirror, although I did think I broke it the first time I used it. Overall, the quality of the finishes is what really stands out in this room. Even the beading on the tiles is absolutely perfect. absolutely loved my stay at the Clayton Hotel and would recommend it to anybody looking for a good quality, reasonably priced hotel in central London. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're considering staying at the Clayton Hotel or have already stayed here, maybe you could leave a comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you all next time.